The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has arrested the former Director of Investment for the National Security Authority, NSSA, Brian Murewa, on allegations of fraud. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Murewa, who has been on the run for over a year, was arrested during a raid at his Borodale home in Harare. The former director is alleged to have misrepresented that the price of a guest house purchased by NSSA in Kariba was $240,000, when in fact the purchase price for the property was $215,000. He allegedly converted the $25,000 balance to his personal use. He will appear in court tomorrow. This is today's news about the former NSSA director Murewa being arrested. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.